would you like to earn an extra income online without starting over? I understand the cost of living is going up and your income is staying the same. And you keep wondering, you spent the best years of your life saving and it's almost as if it's not being honored. I understand you must be frustrated having to stretch every rand and wondering if your money is going to last. But remember this, your life is not over. There are simple ways that you are able to earn an income online without starting over. My name is Moira and I run a small business from home, but I need to retire soon and my pension fund is by no means near enough. That is why I searched online for a way to earn an extra income. I found this beginner-friendly program that shows you step by step what to do. How would you like it? If you could earn dollars in South Africa, you only need to put in 2 hours a day. All you need is your cell phone and Wi-Fi. Why don't you contact me if you would like to earn dollars in South Africa, and I will show you the blueprint that I started using to start my own online business. Comment or WhatsApp blueprint and I'll send you all the information.